Um, One of these days I'll get around to posting these videos. They are very, I don't know. I just don't really enjoy editing them. Editing them is like, I used to, but software changed and they stopped making it a certain way, and I just kind of, I really hate to blame this on the software, my editing software. That might be a huge thing of why I don't do videos as often anymore. Which, yeah, I don't know. It's not my favorite thing to do, I guess. So, alright, today I'm going to change these pillars out. And what that requires is removing this screw here, and then there's some mounting hardware that attaches the plastic piece to the frame itself, and I'll show you that. But for now we're going to remove this screw, and then I'll explain how to get it out after that. So here is my molding. This is the new one, but to remove it, you have to be really careful, and you pull it out just enough and then pops down. So that's about it for that. Here are the pieces for mounting hardware. Oh, that didn't open very well. Snap your fingers. Alright. So that's it. So this should slide in there. So these push-in deals, you just kind of turn them in to the slot. Just like that. And that's it for that. So we are all together. It's a little bit difficult to get the new one in because of the nose on it. So I just squished this down with the needle nose, and actually, this was what the kit came with, so I don't know if it's right or not, but I assume it is. Anyways, really not a whole lot to it. I did use double-sided sticky tape for this lower one to make it easier. That came with the mounting hardware when I ordered the pillars themselves. These came with separate mounting hardware that I purchased from Classic Industries also. So put the T-top on, see how that fits with it, and then we should be good to go if that all fits.